Hello, welcome to Small Basic Application Review or Application Tryout or Application Tester. So, in this case, we will run the video, click run. We will run the program, click run or F5. Enter what background color that you want to use. The default is orange. If you just press enter, you will enter the default value is orange. That is orange. And the second question, enter what font color that you want to use. The default is yellow. If you press enter, you will enter the default value that is yellow. The third question, enter the font size that you want to use. The default is 12. If you just press enter, you enter 12 as the value. Fourth, enter the font name that you want to use. Default is Times New Roman. If you press enter, you just enter the Times New Roman as default value. Enter the area width of each character. So default is 5 pixels. So if you enter this one, it will give you the area width of each character. Enter the text that you want to enter. So the default is Jesus Christ is the Lord and Messiah. If you just press enter, you will enter the text. You will enter Jesus Christ is the Lord and the Messiah as the value, as as value. The size of the text that you want to use, default is as your Lord and Messiah. Enter the size of the text that you want to use, default is 12. If you press enter, you enter 12 as your size of the text. Enter the exposition of the text that you want to use, default is 0. If you just press enter and then you enter 0 as your exposition. Enter the position of the text that you want to enter. If you press 0, then you enter the Y position. So now let's draw. So this is the result. So let's go to graphic windows. So the sequence is bring new bunch of random numbers. This random numbers from 0 to 99. First, the sequence is bring new character and arrange into same line but different column, and then bring down that character and bring new character into the back of the line and to the first line, and bring all two characters numbers down, and insert new character the numbers in this case the third character, and then bring down all three characters down, and then insert the next characters, the fourth, in this case the fourth character, and the next character, the fourth character, and then bring down all four character or all four characters, and then bring the fifth characters back on the back of on the first line, and then bring all. So that's the sequence, all and on and on and on. That's the sequence that this program does that this program does forever. You can use this program as your video therapy. So if you want to sleep, you can watch this video. You can watch this program running for maybe a minute, 2 minutes, and you will get sleepy, and after that you can sleep. And also you can use this video. You can use this program as a video banner for your YouTube video. You can write down the text which you like, and you can crop here, or you can also you can use your video banner. You can use Jesus Christ is the Lord and Messiah as your video banner, as your video banner is good. It's a good decision. So I will let the video running for until the screen. As you can see, the number will be bring down and down and down and down and down until touch the and forever, and down even past the bottom line. I like that because uh, I can program the how the number dismissed or gone, but for the sake of maybe this video therapy, this and video banner, this program will not running more than uh, 1 minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes maybe. So this is how, and in the future I will, if that required, I will I will dismiss the line that already touched the bottom line. But that's I will do that in the future improvement of this program. You can change also the background color, that is in this case from orange to another color. You can change the yellow font color to another color. You can change that by using the user dialog or user interaction that just running on the first part of the program. Mm. So let the program so let's see, let's we already do that for 6 minutes, so we have still time, we still have time. I will let the program running for until the first line touch bottom the bottom line of the graphics window. As you can see, one more thing, as you can see, this is my program. The text is not in is on top of this number, but and not on the back of this number. So it's kinda on top of the number. See, this is the on top. If I also can make the text is on the bottom of on the back of this number, but I prefer to use this on the top of the numbers. Yeah, you can do that. If you pray for to Jesus Christ, you can have the code how to do that. To make this uh, text on top of the number. In this case, yes, on top. So this all numbers are on the back of this text. Okay, one more line. Okay, so that's it, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will post the source code and the exe to in the description. Thank you for the and okay, that's it. Thank you, thank you for watching.